Hi everyone! So today we are going to be focusing on bubble letters and linear designs. So linear designs are basically designs that are made of lines. So this project is going to be all about lines. We won't really be filling anything in. We're not thinking about color or shading, basically just linear designs or patterns made of lines. So you should have already watched the video, how to make bubble letters. This will teach you how to make bubble letters, okay? So I'm going to just draw them right away. You can also do another type of lettering style if you have one, if that would better express yourself, okay? But I'm going to do bubble letters. Now I want you to do your first name or your last name, or if you have a nickname, but this should be about you. So I'm going to do my last name, Schreiner. Now I've been doing bubble letters for a long time, so I am just going to go ahead and do them right away. But I suggest that you do the trick with pencil, where you draw the letters first and then trace around them and then erase the inside. But if you can just do them, that's great too. So write your name somewhere on your paper. I'm placing mine in the middle because I think that will make it look balanced. You could place it any other place that makes sense to you. So now your paper has to have 6 to 10 linear designs and 6 to 10 sections. So when I mean section, that's going to be like the place where you'll fill in with linear designs. So yours could be sectioned out differently than mine. If you also watch the video sketchbook covers, I do the same thing in this video, but I'm just using Sharpies and pens, and it's a bigger page. But you can see that you can section out your page in many different ways. So you could do shapes, you could do lines in different directions. That's up to you, but there needs to be 6 to 10 different spaces or sections. So I'm going to trace around my name to kind of frame it or give it emphasis, which means that's where your eyes go to first, okay? Now I'm going to make my sections. So I want you guys to make your sections using marker or pen. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I could count this as 9, but you don't have to. And then we could have 10. So I'm just gonna go like this. So now I have my sections. Again, this could look different depending on how you choose to make your paper. So you could make your paper go this way. Maybe you want your name at the top, but I need to see 6 to 10 different sections. So once you have your sections, then I want you to choose either just a regular ballpoint pen or a colored pencil or a pencil. But I want it to have a smaller tip so that we can really focus on making fine detailed line or linear designs. So in your Schoology, under the week 1 folder, I have a picture that has linear designs on it, and that's called linear designs. So if you want to look at that to get some ideas or to copy from, you can do that. You can also come up with your own linear designs, and that could be any design that's made of lines. So now I'm going to just start filling in my different sections with 6 to 10 different linear designs. Now this is in fast forward because I want you guys to have plenty of work time. Please do not rush on this project. I would always rather see work that has open spaces rather than work that has been scribbled over just to kind of like fill up the space. So it's actually really relaxing. Maybe you could turn on some nice relaxing music and just get in the groove of drawing your linear designs. I really like using pen because it kind of like rolls smoother, so it's easier to draw lines. But if you feel better with colored pencil or pencil, you could do that too. But remember, color is not the focus of this project, okay? So your sections or your outlines could be made with a black marker too. I think that would look nice. For your paper, I forgot to mention, I would like to see this on a plain piece of white paper, but if you don't have that, that's totally fine. You can just use a notebook piece of paper. So I'm really looking to see variety on these. So I'm looking to see a variety or like difference of linear designs. So be creative with these. Maybe you could make floral designs or designs inspired by your favorite movie or season. Be creative. So you might want to put another piece of paper underneath your paper, definitely if you are using Sharpie, to protect the surface that you're working on. So that way you can just go nice off the edge without having to worry about getting your table filled with pen or marker, pencil. So think about different shapes that you could repeat to make a pattern or linear design. You can make up your own shapes, which are called organic shapes. But again, I don't want to see scribbling. You have a whole week to work on this. So I know my hand's getting a little tired. Maybe you could spend 10 minutes every day for a week, and you would have a really nice project. So you can also fill your name, or if you have a shape behind your name, with a pattern too, or patterns. Then when you are done, I want you to take a nice, bright and clear picture. So I like the angle that I am filming this video from. It's nice and even. It's not at an angle. I can see the paper flat. So something like this would be great. So take a picture of your work and then upload it to the assignment called Bubble Letters and Linear Designs, which can be found in the week 1 folder. So this will be due a week from today, next Wednesday, which is the 18th of November. So you'll have 1 week to work on this project. As always, please let me know if you have any questions or need any help. I know that I'm online, but I will do my best to help you with whatever you need. So have fun with this project, be creative, and I'm excited to see the results. Thanks for watching.